Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabet words. Let us get started. A for apple. Apple. B for bread. Bread. C for cake. Cake. D for donut. Donut. E for egg. Egg. F for fries. Fries. G for grapes. Grapes. H for honey. Honey. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for jelly. Jelly. K for kiwi. Kiwi. L for lemon. Lemon. M for mango. Mango. N for noodles. Noodles. O for orange. Orange. P for pizza. Pizza. Q for quiche. Quiche. R for rice. Rice. S for sandwich. Sandwich. T for tomato. Tomato. U for udon. Udon. V for vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. W for watermelon. Watermelon. X for cereal box. Cereal box. Y for yogurt. Yogurt. Z for zucchini. Zucchini. Thank you kids for learning all these words with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.